GRT continues to hold above our key area of support above the 0.165 after breaking above that key area of resistance, flipping it back into support. And at the time of this recording, we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. And on today's video, I will be discussing the possible scenarios that can play out in the next coming hours, and also give you reasons why you need to watch out for a possible pullback in the next coming hours, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need to provide for registration is your email address, and alternatively you can use your mobile number. Jumping back to the charts, I believe that GRT has continued to obey an additive structure here on the charts. And before I get to the additive structure, I want to first discuss this price channel that we are trading within, where you can see that after getting these aggressive bounce to the upside, we have been stuck within in much of a consolidation over here. And in the next coming hours, there are high chances that we are going to finally see a break out of this consolidation channel. And the breakout can either play out to the upside or maybe to the lower side. And for us to get a breakout to the upside, we need to break above the 20-day MA and break above the 0.1792 for us to consider that as a successful breakout to the upside in a move that will be taking us to the next key area of resistance above the 0.1882. We also need to have in mind that we can get the breakout to the lower side, and the moment we see a breakout to the lower side, then using the Fibonacci's we can be able to identify some significant areas that we need to continue holding by connecting the fibs from the lows that we made on the 13th of October to the highs that we have made today, giving us a pullback target area into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the 618, and that is between the 0.1691 and the 0.1665, which is the area over here. So in case of any breakouts to the lower side, we need to continue holding within this area over here. And if by any chance we lose this target area, then I will be watching for an even deeper pullback in the next coming hours. Jumping to the 4-hour chart to first discuss a negative structure that I believe has been playing out here on this chart. From the lows that we made on the 6th of September, you can see that we picked in this 1-2 setup, then continued to obey the additive structures where we picked in this additive count 1, so a pullback in a wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts. We fully maximized the areas, and we are now seeing a reaction to the upside in what could turn out to be the start of an impulsive additive count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this additive count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is between the $0.245. Then we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an additive count 5, and that impulsive movement to the upside in a wave 3 will get confirmed the moment we manage to break above the significant high we made above the 0.1941. The moment we manage to break above that high, that will be enough confirmation that we are going to get impulsive movements getting us back above the $0.24. Jumping to the daily chart, I still maintain my bullish sentiment that we are going to see higher prices in the next coming days, obeying the additive structures, where I believe that we saw our bear market lows over here. So an aggressive bounce to the upside that peaked above the 0.4947, completing the formation of this additive count 1. Then we saw a bit of a short-term pullback in a larger additive count 2, and there are high chances that we now have the lows in place for the second wave within this target area over here. And in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we are going to start getting impulsive in an additive count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an additive count 5 that can easily get us back above the dollar mark. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the GRT chart for the next coming hours and days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will keep you up to